Did you get it? Look, get the birdie. No.
I'm tired.
Did you get the birdies?
I'm tired of playing.
Oh.
Because my arm hurts.
Let me see. Show me.
Look.
Your arm's kind of sore
Yeah.
because you were playing birdies so much.
Yeah. I don't play Mario 6.
Say, tell Daddy how many birdies you got.
I got 2 birdies.
Yeah, did you have fun?
Yeah. My arm hurts.
But you hurt your arm. Flex your muscles for me.
No.
Flex your muscles. Hey.
Can't do it.
Say bye-bye.